This is Ashley. I'm going to make a skinny chicken and broccoli Alfredo. And instead of using any type of pasta, I'm going to use a spaghetti squash. And if you have never prepared a spaghetti squash, I'm going to show you how I do it, because there's different ways to do it. This says you can microwave it or do it in the oven at 375. My mom, ice cream truck is driving by. It is not even April. Let's see if you can see it. Random, but the ice cream truck. Okay. My mom actually boils it, like kind of like steams it. You can microwave it. I hate doing the microwave because you have to poke a whole bunch of holes in it. And then you have to take the seeds out while they're hot. So I'm going to show you how I bake it. Okay, let me cut it and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, that wasn't the easiest thing to do. But this is what it's going to look like. And you're just going to take all of this out until you've taken all of the seeds out. Okay, so I've put them on my baking sheet. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, grind some pepper, over each. It's really not easy to do this one-handed, I tell you. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of, try to do it one-handed, olive oil. It just keeps it a little bit moist. Okay. And then you're going to put it in until it's tender, probably at least a half an hour to 40 minutes. Okay. This is what the squash looks like. Now you're just going to take a fork and you're going to run it one-handed along the squash, and if you see it, it like becomes like little strands, so it's like spaghetti. I'm just going to scoop all of this out, and then I'm going to put our chicken mixture in. The ingredients for the chicken, not pictured here, is the chicken. I'm going to use the George Foreman and grill it. And then you chop it up into little cubes so you can cook it however you want. You're going to need 1 cup chicken stock. This is the less sodium. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of skim milk, just a little bit of pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. This is the Stop and Shop brand. I found it to be exactly the same as the name brand, so I bought that one. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour. This is wheat flour. That's what we have. I don't know. And you're going to need 2 cups of broccoli. You're also going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan. Okay. Forgot to mention 3/4 of a cup Parmesan cheese. That would have sucked. Okay, this is like a medium-sized saucepan. I have the heat on like a 3. It's like medium-low. 2 tablespoons. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to zoom in. 2 tablespoons of oil. Going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic. I'm going to let that cook for a couple minutes. Sorry, that kind of sucks. Broccoli everywhere. Let that cook for a minute or 2, and then you're going to whisk in your 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, so I've whisked in my flour. I want to cook it for a minute or 2 until it's smooth. And then we're going to add in our cup of milk. Sorry, our 1/4 cup of milk. our yogurt, our pepper, nutmeg, and chicken stock. Okay, so I gradually whisked chicken stock, the milk, the yogurt, the pepper, and the nutmeg in. You want to bring this to a low boil and then stir it constantly for about 3 minutes until it starts to thicken, and then you're going to add in your 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. You want to stir gently, it says. So now I'm adding in my Parmesan cheese. Mix it in until it melts. And then you're just going to stir in your broccoli and your chicken. This is what the chicken looks like. I'm going to plate it up now with the spaghetti squash, and I'll give you a peek. Okay, so here it is. Spaghetti squash as your pasta. This is skinny chicken Alfredo and broccoli. Spaghetti squash is also great with just a little bit of marinara sauce. Maybe if you want to make a meat sauce and put with the squash and rather than with some pasta, it's really good. And I hope you try perhaps both of these things, and I hope you like them. Bye.